How to tune an imported sample to a C note in Logic Pro X if your note is off. This is a very good producer and ear exercise in general. I'd recommend you do this a few times to practice. Instrument, sampler, multi-sample stereo, open up mapping, and we're going to drag in a sample, and let's assume we're not sure what note it is. And now we're going to drag in a sample. Let's say it's not labeled, you don't know what note it is, but you know you're going to drag it onto your C3 and stretch it across the whole keys by bringing it near the top of the map. And now it's laid. And you're like, I don't know if that's a C note or not. So what I do, I click Command and then click on my grand piano and then make sure R is clicked on both of them. And now they'll both play the note. And here I can move my root key. So let's see what this sounds like as we move through these. We got it. So it's an F. And as we go up the octaves, you can tell more and more that, yep. And that's pretty much it. Just like you see guitar players tuning their guitars to C notes of a piano, this is the same thing, but with whatever sample you drag in and you're not sure what it is. And that is how you quickly tune any sample to a C note in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.